How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple, straightforward YouTube thumbnail that you could use in your videos. Like we're going to be like we're using in ours. Again, I'm Ryan. I'm one of the co-owners of Blue Marlin Marketing, digital media company, digital marketing company. We really specialize in creating content for your businesses and in different, especially in the medical field, creating content that we think would help you attract new clients and even helping you find new prospective leads. So I'm going to start out I got here by going into create a design, searching YouTube, and there's going to be a ton of options here. You just go down the one that says YouTube thumbnail. So starting from the top, here we have all the design elements. These are all the pre-made, you could say, or just standard thumbnail templates you could use. So let's say I like the look of, I'm going to delete pretty much everything in here. So I'm going based on really just the background. Let's say I like the look of this background, that red with the stripes. I think that's pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and delete him. I don't know him. And then let's go to uploads. And we're going to take this picture of one of our other owners. His name's Ben. I think you've seen him probably in our other videos. We're going to put him in there. Edit image. Remove the background just like that. And let's blow him up. And you can see here his arms cut off a little bit. So two things I could do about that. I could either, kind of flip the what's going on the screen, move him over here, move the other elements back over there, or which is what I like to do, is go here to flip horizontal, and just like that, his arm's not cut off anymore. It fits right off the side of the page, and I think that's a nice clean look. And let's see what we're going to title this video. Let's make it how to, again, text, really easy to use here. You can highlight it, shrink it down. Let's make it maybe 48. If that's too big, we can make it smaller. Even easier way to do that is just grab these corners here, squeeze them in. Or, obviously I could just make this box bigger, whatever you really want to do. It doesn't matter. It's all about what you think highlights what the look you're going for the best. So let's go with how to automate your business. Now that we know what that is, we can kind of theme the rest of the template around that. So how to automate your business. I made this 40, looks like it's about 44. I'm gonna do the same thing here. That way, the word automate, that's really the eye catcher here. That way, that's the biggest thing on the page. Of course, next to Ben. And now our colors, our theme colors are really blue and white. So the way we can do that is we can go in here to color. Let's choose this blue. Kind of adds these blue highlights on the side. That's pretty nice. But what I really want to do is change this background. So what I can do here is go through and just delete these kind of highlight elements. And then gives us the chance to kind of start from scratch here. So you can go to background color, make it blue. I mean, that's cool. I kind of like the look of this red, the lines going in. So let's see if there's a way we can do it where we can keep that. Go down to filters. Scroll through here. I have all these different color options. And look at that. How about that? Perfect. So let's make some of this text blue maybe to fit in, see how it looks. And if you want, you can obviously change the text bubble color. Let's make it white. And then I can change the color in the middle maybe to something different. So it's a lot of just, clicking, changing colors, seeing what you think looks the best. It's all about personal preference, this part. But since this is a YouTube thumbnail, we really want it to kind of grab attention and be interesting. This is interesting, but I think there's something we can do to make it more interesting maybe. This is a kind of standard template. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is, if you want to make a standard easy template, this is a great way to do it. But if you want to really get into something, you can start from scratch, and that's a lot of fun. So I'm going to go ahead and delete everything on the page, except Ben. He gets to stay for now. And let's change the background color. How about we make it something different? Let's make it this kind of a dark theme. It's dark red, I think looks cool. And now, we still have these highlights in the corner. We can change those from blue to really any color we want. So let's see how black looks. That's cool. Nice little shading. Almost looks theatrical in a way. I think that's a cool look. And let's say we want to put Ben on this side of the screen. Easy. Flip vertical or flip horizontal. Slide him around, see where he fits the best. And then go over here to elements. And let's say I want to make it like a movie theater, like a kind of now showing or coming soon. So let's look movie theater. Oh, look at that. So we have a marquee. I think that's a cool, framing device for the title of the video. You can get him out of here for now. And then it already gives you this now showing. This is obviously with the pro features, but if you're doing this in any other way, you should be able to find, some non-pro features that still work for you. That now showing, put that right there. And it's titled the same thing, how to automate your business. So go over here to text, heading, how to automate your business. There you go. Now, font's kind of like a standard font that they just give you. Let's see what we can do about that. Go over here to font. You can scroll through, see what you think fits what you're going for, what you think fits your brand or even the theme of this video. So I want something that looks a little bit like it would be in a marquee sign. Let's see if we can find that. Okay, how about that? Extend it this way, extend it that way. I like everything to be kind of even. Now, if you really want to get in the nitty-gritty stuff, you can zoom in, and if you want these letters to fit on these lines, the way we can do that, if you can see what I'm talking about right here, you have these lines, lines where like the letters would actually be at the movie theater. So what we can do is we're going to split these up into separate text files. That way we can edit them each independently, kind of. So you can get really specific with what you want everything to look like in here. And what's nice about this is if you go up to document fonts, it analyzes the document just like the colors and kind of, let's say I want to choose that one, same one as before, that's great. Zoom in a little bit and kind of try to place this in the line, on the line as best I can. A little tricky, but actually not too bad. Just gotta look closely. There you go. And I'd say that element at least is set for now. So we have 4 things in here. We have the marquee sign, we have the now showing, how to automate your business. We can press group, makes it in one element. It's really makes it really easy going forward. So I don't have to move each thing independently or move one thing and realize I took it off center and then have to move everything else. It's kind of a pain. So as you can see here, Ben is behind the sign. Something easy we can do to fix that is you can double click, layer, bring to front. And there's that. Say I want to shrink this, make it a little smaller, put it right there. Say I want to make Ben a little bit bigger, go ahead like that. And maybe I want to add some other interesting elements because this is good, but we want, a little bit more going on the page, I think. So let's see. Popcorn is a movie theater after all. And let's take this little popcorn bucket, wherever it is, there. Shrink it down, angle a little bit, and make it almost look like, in a comedic way, like Ben's holding that popcorn. Like he's about to show you when he's about to teach you how to automate your business and should have a snack ready. So let's say I want to add some more elements in here. I want to add some patterns or some lights, or I want to make it seem like the sign is glowing almost. Something cool we can do there is say just search lights. And you can see it has all these graphics pre-made. And what you can do is kind of take one. Not what I meant to do. Let's put that right here. And then you can say layer, send it back. Come on. And we can slide this right up behind the sign. So it's like that light is like emanating from behind the sign. I think that's a cool look. Let's see if we can make it centered. There we go. And let's see what else we can put. Let's see, movie theater elements that they have. Some seats. No, maybe not. How about this film reel right here? That's pretty cool. Turn that with this little feature right here, this little degree turn button. Make it a little bigger. And then we can make it like it's almost running off the side of the screen. Let's see, we want to add some tickets. Some admit one ticket. There we go. And what's cool about all these elements is that you can really change the colors on them. So let's go into this admit one and let's change the, it's like kind of this teal color. Let's see if we can change that to something else. You make it, shade of blue for Blue Marlin Marketing. There you go. And now another thing that makes your life really easy when you're trying to edit these is you go to duplicate. Say I want 3 of them, just press that button twice. Turn one this way, shrink it down, and kind of hide them around the screen if you want to. And let's say I want to put this behind Ben. Let's go layer, send backward. Now it's like right behind his head. If I wanted to put that there. And same thing with this one. Let's say we want to put this one in the middle. Give it a slight angle like this. And I think that's a lot better than what we started with for sure. That's just like you see that on YouTube. Hopefully someone will want to click it. And that's the whole goal really, is just to make it visually interesting in any way you can, using your creativity, using your eye and your judgment. So thank you guys. I mean, if you want to download this, you just go here to download and download as a PNG or anyway, and then you go to YouTube and just throw that file in there. So thank you. I hope you learned something today.